yam nuai theng usu theng na khoi gi national highway humakta free movement tang nipan hoge manungda yahallu haidana adugumba kanma instruction ama central of the state government gi central forces and the state forces in the yathangama tawthubasi Shiv Sena na welcome to we yam nuai hawe gi PR ki government sibu sinbiriba honorable governors thengkhang ani ra akhoi gi arm summit tawna ba pi gi batam tang tor tu loi ga ni nasi boba tapaki tongan ba khunga ku sing aduga leiriba akhoi gi khulai sing nasi boda honorable governor na akhoi gi summit tawna pi gi ba matam masida leptana nasi boda akhoi mayam na arm summit tawri Hujik leiriba akhoi gi honorable Home Minister Amit Shah na tang nipan bhogi manungda national highway hummakta national highway 37 102 adu super international highway akhoi gi asia gi country tagi do ba 102 gi akhoi gi more yam nuai theng usu theng na akhoi gi national highway hummakta free movement tang nipan bhogi manungda yahallu haidana adugumba kanma instruction ama central of the state government gi central forces and the state forces in the yathangama tawthubasi Shiv Sena na welcome to we yam nuai hawe theng usu theng na lands belongs to the state government lands belongs to the India governments aduga akhoi gi Shiv Sena gi lomda di lamma chi shor gi ni akhoi punamak garang dei usi bo hingi hayeng kai du no haiba ngam de aga lam khara makoi na sang ma yaroi haidana challenge sorba center of the state government gi even governor adu Amit Shah na haiba akhoi gi free movement to gudong ne haiba akhoi gi seisda makoi na madu sakpa yaroi aduga moi gi taliba demand punamak si phangdri ba akhoi gi leiriba cookie gi akhoi gi cookie lands aduga moi gi khoi gi hujiki leiriba ching 90% se makoi gi ni kai na claim tawri mase athuma tamda NRC chanhan ba yam thaka lo gani aduga athuma tamda akhoi sing da land law akhoi land law implementation to wi da ka le gani aduga governor amadi honorable home minister gi mathakta challenge tawri se masidi akhoi yam seng har kanda akhoi masidi akhoi sab sara masi India government gi law le habido madu kotu akhoi gi women's aduga kotu gi karmi mayam singda madu gi pakhum pi hani